Immuron is a dual-listed commercial and clinical stage biopharmaceutical company with a proprietary technology platform. Immuron currently has 3 drug candidates in clinical development. Joining me ahead of appearing at Peak Asset Management's Sky High Luncheon to delve into the company's investment proposition is CEO Stephen Lydeamore. Stephen, welcome to the Stock Network.
Thank you.
Now, Stephen, can you start by giving us an overview of Immuron's therapeutic drug candidates and what conditions are they targeting to treat?
Yes, so we have 3 therapeutic candidates. So IMM124E, which is the active drug substance in Travelan, which is available commercially. We sell that over the counter in Australia, USA and Canada. We also have IMM529 for Clostridioides difficile and Campitech for Campylobacter enterotoxigenic E. coli. So we specialise in infectious disease therapeutic development.
Fantastic. And what is the what's the current status rather of Immuron's product portfolio and recent operational developments?
As I mentioned before, we have Travelan on the market, and that's also in a phase 4 post-marketing study by the Uniformed Services University. This is a 866 military personnel study being done in the US and UK. We also have IMM124E for traveller's diarrhea. Just completed phase 2. We had a readout of top-line data on the 7th of March of this year. The clinical study report will be available around July of this year, so an exciting time for us. Following which we plan to have an end of phase 2 meeting with the FDA as we plan to move into phase 3. We have another phase 2 candidate, that's that Campitech program. That's finished dosing, and we also expect top-line results for that in July of this year. And finally, IMM529, we're currently preparing for a pre-IND filing, and hopefully we'll do that before the end of the financial year with a view to starting another phase 2 study next year.
Well, you've really given us a very good overview of your key milestones there when it comes to driving value for shareholders. If everything goes as planned and as you're working on, what's your outlook really, and where would you like to see yourself in the next 12 months?
Yeah, look, the top line results for IMM124E on the 7th of March, we got a positive share market reaction to that. We're hoping for more of the same come July for the Campitech program. I'm really excited about IMM529 next year. So if we get IND approval from the FDA, we're able to move yet another program into phase 2 clinical development. And IMM124E, following that post phase 2 meeting with the FDA, moving into phase 3, will become one of very few Australian biotechs with phase 3, phase 2 assets in development. So it's an exciting time on the milestone front for clinical development. But in the meantime, we're generating revenue. We've got strong double-digit growth in sales of Travelan as people continue to travel around the world to exotic locations that just happen to have that 30 to 70% risk of getting traveller's diarrhea, and none of us want that.
Not at all, and it's good to know you have got a solution for it. So, Stephen Lydeamore, thank you so much for giving us an update on all the things that Immuron is working on, and near-term catalysts, certainly an exciting 12 months ahead, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.